Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how a business ship captain can use an AI tools to reply to emails faster and even paraphrase messages to make them clearer. Step 1. Copy the email. First, open the email you want to reply to. Copy the text, just highlight and copy. Easy. Step 2. Paste into a AI tools. Next, paste the email into the AI tools. You can use GPT, Cloud, and any AI assistants you prepare. Then step 3. Tell AI what you want. Then tell AI what kind of reply you want. For example, you can say, write a polite and professional reply confirming our ETA is 1500 hours local time. Hit enter and just wait for a few seconds. Step 4. Review and send. AI will give you a complete reply. Read it carefully to make sure it's accurate. Then just copy and send. Done. Bonus tip. Paraphrasing techniques. If you want your own replies, you need to paraphrase it to a more clearer and more accurate response. AI is not just for replies, you can use it to paraphrase long messages too. Here's how. Copy a complete instruction email and paste it to AI, then type paraphrase. Or you can type your own words, your own message, and just type paraphrase. AI will turn a long technical message into a short, clear versions, perfect for toolbox meeting or daily briefings. And that's it. With these tips, you can save hours every week, reply faster, and make sure your communication is always clear and professional. Remember, copy the email, paste it in AI, tell what tune you want, review the output and hit send. Easy, fast, and stress-free, so you can focus on selling, safety, and your crew. Work smarter, not harder, and let AI handle typing for you. See you next time.